Welcome back to our channel, where we debunk myths and reveal the truth behind common misconceptions. Today, we are diving into the world of earning money. More specifically, the myths surrounding how to make money and achieve financial success. Get ready to be shocked and enlightened as we uncover the truth behind these popular money-making myths. Myth number one, you have to be lucky to make money. One of the biggest myths out there is that you have to be lucky to make money. Many people believe that financial success is only reserved for those who are fortunate enough to stumble upon it. However, the truth is that luck has very little to do with making money. It's all about hard work, dedication, and smart decision-making. Yes, luck may play a small role in some instances, but relying on luck alone will not lead to long-term financial success. Myth number two, you need to have a lot of money to make money. Another common myth is that you need to have a lot of money to make money. This misconception can deter many people from even trying to pursue their financial goals. However, the reality is that you don't need to start off with a large sum of money to build wealth. In fact, many successful individuals started with very little and were able to grow their wealth through hard work, strategic planning, and wise investments. It's not about how much money you have, but how you utilize the resources you do have. Myth number three, you have to work long hours to make money. Some people believe that the only way to make money is to work long hours and sacrifice their personal life. While hard work is essential for financial success, working endless hours is not the only path to achieving wealth. In fact, many successful entrepreneurs and business owners have found ways to work smarter, not harder, in order to maximize their earning potential. It's all about efficiency, productivity, and finding a balance between work and personal time. Myth number four, get-rich-quick schemes are a viable way to make money. Perhaps one of the most dangerous myths out there is the belief that get-rich-quick schemes are a viable way to make money. These schemes promise instant wealth with minimal effort, often preying on individuals who are desperate for financial stability. However, the truth is that get-rich-quick schemes are usually scams that will leave you worse off than when you started. True financial success takes time, effort, and dedication. There are no shortcuts or quick fixes. Myth number five, you have to be highly educated to make money. Many people believe that you have to be highly educated to make money. While education can certainly open doors and provide valuable skills, it is not the only factor in determining financial success. There are countless examples of individuals who achieved great wealth without a formal education, relying instead on their creativity, resourcefulness, and determination. It's not about the degrees on your wall, but the passion and drive in your heart. Myth number six, investing is too risky to make money. Investing is often seen as a risky venture that is only reserved for the wealthy or finance-savvy individuals. However, the reality is that investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial goals. While there is always some level of risk involved in investing, there are also ways to mitigate that risk through proper research, diversification, and long-term planning. Investing wisely can lead to significant returns and help you grow your wealth over time. Myth number seven, a high salary equals wealth. Having a high salary is the key to achieving wealth and financial stability. When you earn a substantial income, you have the opportunity to save, invest, and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. With a high salary, you can afford to live comfortably, enjoy luxuries, and pursue your dreams without worrying about money. So aim high and strive for a lucrative career that will bring you the financial success you deserve. Myth number eight, the stock market is just gambling. Contrary to popular belief, investing in stocks is not a game of chance. It is a strategic and calculated risk-taking endeavor that requires thorough research and planning. Don't be fooled by the misconception that the stock market is akin to gambling. With the right approach and mindset, you can navigate the market with confidence and success. So let's debunk this myth and embrace the exciting world of stock investing. Myth number nine, passive income is 100% passive. Contrary to popular belief, generating passive income requires some initial effort. Whether it's through investments, creating content, or starting a business, There is always some work involved in setting up a passive income stream. But don't let that discourage you. With dedication and perseverance, you can create a steady stream of income that requires minimal effort in the long run. So get excited and start building your passive income empire today. Myth number 10. You have to be born into wealth to make money. Many people believe that you have to be born into wealth to make money. While it's true that having a financial head start can make things easier, it is not a requirement for achieving financial success. With hard work, determination, and smart financial decisions, anyone can build wealth and create a better future for themselves and their families. Your background does not determine your financial destiny. It's up to you to seize the opportunities and make the most of them. In conclusion, the world of earning money is filled with myths and misconceptions that can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction and find the truth behind these popular myths. Remember, financial success is within your reach. It's all about hard work, perseverance, and making smart choices along the way. So don't let these myths discourage you. Go out there and chase your dreams, knowing that you have what it takes to make money and build a prosperous future. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more myth-busting content on our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more myth-busting videos and financial tips. And remember, the only limits to your financial success are the myths you believe. So go out there and prove them wrong. See you next time.